We're at my house, just about to dine on the world's most perfect banana. Look how fucking gorgeous this banana is. Oh shit.
Perfect, dude.
When life gives you lemons, you gotta make bananas.
Alright, today we're waiting for a package to come in the mail that we're super hyped on.
A very important package.
We also got a couple things to do to DJ's 240 and his Civic. And we're just kind of hanging out today. Might go pick up some more of these.
Yeah, dude. Hobby Lobby down the road's got the hookup with
Yeah.
stretch bananas.
It's also right next to the Popeyes, but apparently they're out of chicken sandwiches, which is a fucking bummer.
So today we're just doing really simple shit. We didn't really film a video when we put the like new exhaust on, or like when we put mufflers into the old exhaust. I should. The camera died. But we didn't really make a video installing the mufflers on my exhaust on the Civic. Nobody really got to hear it when it was like freshly fired up with the exhaust and everything. Between getting the exhaust done and filming the last video we made on the Civic, it developed a pretty bad exhaust leak. So like you guys technically have never really heard what that exhaust sounds like. We're gonna try to seal up the exhaust leak at the flange. When it is sealed up, it has like a little tiny backfire between every shift, so that's like cool as fuck, and I want that back.
I love this thing, dude.
God. So, pretty sure the leak is here. But it's so disgustingly covered in oil.
Yeah, I was about to say, the oil pan's just like
It's just wet. Yeah, that's what you get when you put the wrong shaped oil pan on your car. Okay, well, I have like the orange Permatex exhaust RTV.
Oh, you're just gonna squirt it on there?
Yeah, and then I also have new bolts that are like the spring-loaded exhaust bolts instead of just these regular ones. I found these little gloves in the back of my car. We're just gonna see how long this thing takes to find its former shape. Oh, dude, it's going fast.
Yeah, why?
Yeah, it wasn't going that fast earlier. All right, time to do a thing.
How long is this shit supposed to take to dry?
I don't know. About a day. I have no idea. Also, my car like just smells like fuel all the time now. Could probably investigate that.
Probably the VTEC.
Probably the VTEC, yeah. All the fuel, just so much power. I think all the horsepowers do it. Yeah, it looks like it could be a leak. This actually, back here looks fine.
Oh no.
I think this just is too round. Springing. Oh no, they're 14s. You know me. Yeah, that'd be sick. Do you want to turn that off?
Alright, so DJ got that all unbolted.
Yeah, so we got the two parts separated. They use these like weird little cone gaskets, which I don't know, it's probably a good idea for some reason, but never had good experiences with them. So this one's pretty shot, but it's the only one I have, so it's gonna have to go back in. Just fucking all around here and just put it all back together. Yeah, this is a baking channel now. We specialize in cake. Oh yeah, and then the hard part. These like hate to be mated together because the exhaust hangs up pretty high and the header is super fucking low. So it's actually pretty hard to get these back together. God damn it. I know, I'm basically no help over here. Hey. Fuck this exhaust. Huh?
Our TV's probably already hardened.
Probably. Update the people on the banana.
I don't think the banana has really moved. It's been 30 minutes, 35 minutes.
It took us 35 minutes to do that.
Yeah, how pathetic. Where's the goddamn UPS man?
I hate being under this car. Everything's covered in oil. Nothing fits properly. Literally, if I just had a proper exhaust on this thing, it would be fine.
Yeah.
This whole exhaust cost me like $200. Well, that's not even the problem. You can get a decent exhaust from like an exhaust shop for $200. Or like if you know how to weld. The problem is I bought a bunch of eBay shit.
How's it going?
Very good.
Thank you.
Yep.
Baby. It's here, dude. Straight from YouTube.
No way. That's fucking sick.
What we've been waiting for is just behind the camera. UPS man just strolled on through. This was really just the timer for how long it would take us to put RTV on an exhaust plate.
Yeah, fuck.
45 minutes. This shit's never going back to Norman. You want to lower this down or should we open that bitch?
Yeah, I don't give a fuck about this anymore. Leave it in the air for the next 30 years.
All right, here it really is. What we've been waiting for, what you guys have been probably wondering why we never got or never made a video about. This is a package directly from YouTube themselves. Comes from Oakland.
The backstory on this is that when we hit 100K, they sent us an email and said, hey, do you want this thing that you're about to open on camera? And I said, that email address looks sketchy. And so we never replied to it. And turns out that email address was legit the whole time, but it looked pretty sketchy.
Recently I hit them up and I was like, yo, how come we didn't get like anything? And they're like, yo, we sent you this. And I was like, oh, that was the email that we got and we just disregarded. So they sent us the email again and I just filled out a couple things and within like 2 weeks showed up.
Here it officially is. A black square of foam. I'm gonna use this for sound deadening, for recording. Okay.
Ooh, what did I see what they say?
You've just done something. We just did it like a year ago.
We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel, you guys, has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. Ah. Congratulations, yours sincerely, Susan Wojcicki. Wojcicki. CEO of YouTube. We got a fucking letter from the CEO of
She
YouTube.
hand typed that. Can you believe her penmanship? Unreal.
Oh!
Congratulations. Alright, let's fucking crack this video open, dude. Oh, shit. Dude, I didn't think I would give a shit about this, but this is actually amazing.
Yeah, it's really fucking cool.
That's so cool. Bro, we can hang that in our place when we get a place.
Yeah, look, it's us in there.
Damn, that's crazy.
I feel.
Feel it. It's soft on the back.
Ooh.
Quentin holds his baby for the first time.
Yo, cat!
Yo, cat! Fuck. Sleeping ass. We can show up to this cat.
Yo, cat! Hell yeah. Big thank you to everyone who subscribed to us and got us to this point.
Yeah.
Even though it was like a year ago that this happened, it's fucking cool.
Yeah, it's like silly that we're opening the 100K like subscriber thing, but I don't know, it's weird to like have this even though it is like so late. It's like crazy, like this like just solidifies and like gratifies everything that we've done. It's pretty sick.
It's insane that like YouTube sent us something because of what we've done on YouTube.
Yeah, like obviously they send them to everybody who does this, but like not everybody does this.
Yeah.
Herman, what, dude? You just want out? Like that's crazy, dude.
Pretty fucking cool.
How's that bagel?
It's good.
Yeah, that's crazy. We got this fancy thing in the mail, and all we do is take 45 minutes to spread RTV. That's like our whole thing.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
100,000 people.
Start programming some subscriber bots. We're trying to hit 1 million. Get another one of
We
these.
want another one. I'm addicted to these now.
There's the people responsible for this.
EU.
Look, that's honestly so sick. We sat around and we admired our silver play button. We played Wii golf. Wii Sports still goes hard.
It does.
That's pretty good. Time to clean up the tools. Set this bad, beautiful biddy on the ground. Hear how she sound. Hopefully it sounds different than before. Sounds way better.
Does it?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
So much quieter.
Now it's time to blow out that gasket.
Yeah, dude.
official Papa-Rooney.
Yeah. With that flange all sealed up, pretty much every time that you shift with like more than a quarter throttle or so, it does a little pop like that. And it's just so, it's like fun. Earlier it was backfiring from the middle of the car, which is less exciting. All right, I think that wraps our banana. Oh, wake up, Cat. We'll go to Hobby Lobby, get a few more bananas, dude.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Okay.
trying to do. Look at that beautiful boy. Somebody, I was coming out here to do something, I forget why, and somebody was taking a photo of my car, and they're like, dude, what kind of car is that? And I was like, oh, it's a Toyota Corolla. And he was like, yo, I swear this looks just like the Futo from Grand Theft Auto. And I was like, yeah, they based the Futo off this. And he's like, oh, that's so cool. Ooh, I heard the pop.
Yeah, it definitely still leaks a little bit, but I think it's either from like the header or one of the bungs somewhere.
Ain't as bad.
Yeah, definitely not as bad. I don't know. Moral of the story is buy a real exhaust. Are you ready for this VTEC?
Well, it smelled really weird on the way here. We're kind of smoking out the rear end right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna just get this car home. We're gonna baby it in 5th gear. It smoked really bad out the back just now. That's not good. There's nothing coming out now, but it was like...
We were kind of on it in 3rd gear and it was like juicing.
Yeah.
We got bananas though, that's good. I threw this at the wall as hard as I could and it was fucking hilarious.
If anybody wants to trade me this car for a Corolla, hit me up.
Ice cream paint on my Louis V soda can. I just no scope, yo bitch, check the bandy can. 10 racks in my hands, call me Edward Van Hands. I was in a band, man, we were called the Band Band. Meet me at the Denny's, cause I'm cooking up a band slam. Yeah, ooh, yeah, ooh, yeah, yeah, I have way more money than you. Ran out of pockets, keep money in my shoe. 10 rollies on my wrist, dream come true. Granting all my wish, that's what the money do. Rolling up a swish, puff till I turn blue. Double styrofoam dish, brain turned to goo. I don't really care, cause the doctor make it new. I'm really rich, and that's what the money do. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yay. Woo, yeah. Blah, 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 pussy, money, money, weed. Yada, 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 got a wad of paper all green. Henny, 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 roly-polies for my team. Zanny, Molly, Percocet, and promethazine. Got a lot of Lamborghinis in my Lambo account. How many do you got? Bitch, you know I can't count. I just dropped a rack on a couple new rack mounts, so I could put some racks on my racks. Watch me ball out. Runny nose kid with the Sudafed